This car was once abandoned, damaged, and slowly forgotten by time. But today, you're going to witness every satisfying step as we bring it back to life, piece by piece, until it looks completely brand new again. This isn't just a repair, it's a full ASMR car restoration experience. Relax, enjoy the sounds, and watch till the very end for the unbelievable transformation.